In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily increase your position size on Bitunix. So as you can see, I currently have this trade right here open. It's a long trade with a 5x leverage and it's $500 big. So if I want to increase that amount down here, I simply can go in here, go to open, market to add the funds immediately. And then down here, choose how much percent of my available balance I want to use, or just type in the amount in here in USDT. Let's say I want to use 100%, so I'm using $28 of my remaining balance up here, and that will equal, with a 5x leverage, another $140 of capital to my existing trade. So this amount right here will be added onto my opened trade right here. And if I click on open long, you will see now my trade is $620 big. So to easily increase your position size, just do as if you would open new positions, and this amount right here will be added onto your existing trade. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bitunix, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $5,500 of welcome bonuses. To create your account, you simply have to enter your email address right here and set a password, or use one of these options, and then you're ready to go.